Hello, everybody. My name is Heather. I am a full-time reseller. I sell on sites like Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Thredup, the Real Marketplace. I'm a homeschool mom of 2 kids, Grace and Ryan. I'm a volleyball coach, volleyball player, and I love Disney. And here is my friend Samantha. She's going to introduce herself.
Hi, everyone. My name is Samantha. I go by Thrifty on a dime on all my social media platforms. I'm a full-time nurse and I'm a part-time reseller. I enjoy finding things to flip online as well as in person. So we have a Thredup box. Each of us got a name brand, I think handbag is what it's called.
Name brand handbag. Yep.
Yeah, that we're going to unbox for you guys, kind of popcorn style. We do a lot of Thredup unboxings, and Heather does really well at her Thredup boxes. So I thought that it would be awesome for us to pair up and show you what we got in each of ours.
Yeah. So mine is kind of skinny. I don't know. Yours looks a little bigger than mine. Sometimes I was
gonna say mine does look a little fatter, doesn't it?
Yeah. So we'll see. I don't know if that's going to be a good or a bad thing. So I guess I'll just go first. I'll get out my first one. Mine came from Pennsylvania. Where'd yours come from?
Mine came from Pennsylvania too.
Okay, so that'll be interesting. Okay, I usually do a little first look, but mine just has a bunch of air bubbles on top, so I guess we'll see. Okay, here's the first one. It's kind of giving me like 90s vibes, or maybe
I was gonna say Clueless vibes, maybe.
Yeah, Clueless. It looks like it's Michael Kors.
That's actually really cute. I like that.
I know, it's kind of a cool style because it's like in like hobo style. It's unique. It has like a little braided tassel thing here. I think it's just regular Michael Kors and not Michael Kors. The inside.
What does the inside look like?
Looks like it's like just like the monogram, but pretty clean.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that means it's the regular store and not the department store, correct?
I think so. So
when it's like that,
I guess that could be good. I think it's unique because it's like an older style. One. A lot of the ones I get are like not like this, so that could be good.
Yeah, that's cute. I like that one. All right, so this is what mine looks like on the inside.
Have you ever got one of these before?
No, this is my first time getting a name brand box.
I've gotten some good ones in here, so hopefully you get some good ones.
Okay, so first off, it is a Kate Spade. It looks like maybe they just didn't take it because there is just a light kind of like fingerprint, like oil stains all over it. So that's going to be an easy fix just because this is a hard leather. And then it looks like there's just a little bit of wear on the inside of it. So other than that, I mean, this is a great bag. I don't know if you watch my channel, but I actually resell a lot of them at Style Encore and Plato's Closet too. So if this isn't something that I'm going to list myself, I'll take it there and they will probably price it at 90. So I could expect to get like 30 bucks out of this if I take it directly there right away. Yeah. If not, I'll probably just list it for like 50 to 60, maybe 75, depending.
I feel like
because of the wear.
Yeah, that's a good start.
Yes.
Okay, they usually put in one accessory, so this might be my accessory, but I can see my other stuff small. But anyway, here's this Kate Spade, like it's kind of like an envelope style, but actually it's like a little purse, I think.
Oh, that's adorable.
That's cute. It's because it's kind of like a mini purse. So it has like the chain handle, but it looks like super nice, except for like the letters are kind of worn off a little bit. But I don't think you would notice.
That's not bad.
Crossbody. It's like a little bit dirty on the inside with like polka dots, but I never really clean the inside. Sometimes I say I'm going to, but I never do.
I'll maybe lightly clean the outside, but the inside I just show pictures.
Yeah,
just
if I can clean it quick on the outside, I will, but otherwise I'm like, I just sell it as is. Anyway, so that's cute. I think that'll be good. Better than a cheap little wallet.
All right, the next one I have is this huge black bag. I can't tell if it's like a rubber or leather, to be honest, because it doesn't feel like even the hard leather that Kate Spade does.
It's kind of shiny.
Yeah, it's a Rebecca Minkoff.
Oh, Rebecca Minkoff.
I don't typically pick Rebecca Minkoff up to resell, but I mean, this is a cute style, and maybe if I stuff it full, it'll get its shape again.
Yeah.
It still has the sensor tag on the inside, like just the peel off sensor tag. So I guess it's new. Possibly.
Oh, nice.
So hopefully this does well. I mean,
Yeah.
it's a large black bag and lots of women love black bags,
Yeah.
but maybe like 30, 40 bucks. I don't know. What are your thoughts?
I don't know. I've got Rebecca Minkoff a lot, but I don't get styles like that. It's like the small little rectangle ones, like with the tassels coming down, and those ones sell for like 30 or so. So I wonder if you can get more for that, especially like you said, because it's black.
Yeah, and I
bigger.
could probably even ship it back to them.
Yeah, no kidding. I do that sometimes with some of my stuff because I sell on Thredup
Sell
too.
it back to them because
I send it right back to them and make money.
So
yeah, that's cute. Ooh, okay. This one I got Tory Burch silver, another little tiny purse. And it has like a kind of heavy chain handle. Here's the top part. That's good. For me, my Tory Burch stuff always sells really well, like the purses and the wallets, especially if I could have that logo nice and big. It looks really clean in the inside. It has the little logo right there again. So that's cute. It's like a metallic silver. I think somebody said in other videos they authenticated it. This little thing. Yeah, your phone or something, or just like if you just need your phone in your like wallet or something.
Yeah, if you're going out or something. Yeah, that's really cute. I like that.
Yeah, that's cute. That's a good one.
All right, let's see here. All right, another big black bag.
This you got a big Tory Burch.
But the only issue is it's peeling.
Oh,
I've
yeah,
never
I see
heard
that.
of Tory Burch peeling like that. Have you?
Is it leather or nylon?
It's real leather.
Oh, still, I think that'll do really good because it's got that big logo on the front.
I'm pretty sure it's just really old. So like, I don't know if you see the tag. The tag's even
maybe it's just a little bit worn.
Yeah, that could be. But yeah, I mean, the edges aren't bad. It's just like the sides right here. So maybe.
I think that'll still do good because people like that big logo in the front.
Yes. And there's a lot of room in there. So
like that might be able to pay for your whole box.
Hopefully.
Yeah, that looks like that could be good. Okay. Here's another Michael Kors. I feel like this is the kind of stuff I get more than like that old one, but that's okay. It has these like little, I don't know if my lights are too bright, circle mirror looking things that says Michael.
Are they metal or is it like a?
Yeah, these are kind of like metal.
Oh, cool.
These are like metal and then leather. And then it says it back here. It's kind of like a little bit dirty, but I might be able to clean it off. And it has like a little turn lock. The handle's like chain with a leather strap. And then the inside looks pretty clean.
And that looks like the actual Michael Kors too.
Yeah, this one, yeah. So that's good because a lot of ones I get is like Michael by Michael Kors.
Exactly.
I can't sell them for as high. So I think if I can clean it up, that'll be pretty good too.
That's a cute one.
Yeah,
I like that one.
Yeah, that's cute.
Oh, here we go.
Here's your accessory. That's what I usually get, little wallets.
Now, I have no idea how to open this though.
Is it where you have to like push something in?
Well, I thought so, but there's nothing to put. Oh, it slides. Oh, that's cool. So this thing right here slides down.
Oh, that's different.
This is a Marc Jacobs just bifold wallet. It's in really good shape. I just don't typically pick up Marc Jacobs to resell.
Yeah.
I have sold it to Style and Play-Doh. So if I do take it there, they could probably offer me like 12 bucks for it. They'll probably list it at 30.
Yeah. That still could be.
I think it's a good brand. It's a little baby. I don't know if I want to list this one myself or not.
So tiny.
It's leather. It's real leather. So
maybe look and see how much it's going for.
Exactly.
Okay. Oh, see, here's the Rebecca or Minkoff that I usually get. It's always the same style with this little like hook thing and the tassel. So at least I have, this one's like patent leather black with the chain handle and like the studs in the handle. So at least I know because I've sold them a bunch because I seem to get these in my bags a lot, which makes me think like they must not be able to sell them on Thredup very much.
Well, yeah, because you got one and I got one, and that's not a typical brand you see.
Maybe they're not. Yeah. This one's like navy and blue polka dot on the inside. But at least it's in good shape because some of them I've got is like brown leather and there's marks all over them, but this one doesn't really have marks. So maybe I can get like 30 or 40.
Yeah, that's cute. Hopefully. I feel like that's on trend too.
Yeah. So that's my last one.
And here's my last one. Not super excited about the style. It definitely gives me early 2000 vibes.
Yeah. Kind of like the
maybe
first one I had.
Yep, it's a Dooney and Burke,
Oh,
which I do okay with Dooney, but I
yeah.
don't feel like this style I'm gonna do the best with. I do know my style Encore does take this brand, so I might just take it directly there. It looks like it had a crossbody strap that is not included though.
Oh,
so.
yeah. That can make a difference.
But the inside is really clean.
I was hoping it'd be Brahmin first when I saw the.
Right?
That'd be amazing.
I've watched your videos and I've been on the lookout. Anything that looks like this, I'm like, okay, I remember Heather saying that this is like Brahmin or something.
Yes.
So let me look on the inside. I haven't been lucky enough to find one yet, but this isn't in bad shape. It's in good condition. It's just a smaller, older style.
Yeah. Usually sometimes I just look stuff up first before I decide if I'm going to take it somewhere else.
Exactly.
So maybe you could do that.
As soon as we get off here, I'm going to check all the comps and then take pictures or put it in my Play-Dohs and style bag.
Yeah, that's probably what I'll do too. Okay, well,
awesome.
That was good.
This with you. I feel like mine was decent. What about you?
I feel like mine was pretty good. I think my Tory Burch little silver one will do the best. But yeah, I still feel like I'll definitely
my Kate Spade will probably do the best.
I think that one. Yeah, that one should be good.
It's the best shape and it's the most current style. I feel like
I think it's a good style. That Tory Burch tote should do good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's it. I'll link all of her information in my video. She's going to do the same thing. So if you guys see anything you want to buy from us, do you usually do that in your videos? I just say you can message me on Instagram or email or something like that.
Yeah, leave a comment. Also, be sure that you follow and subscribe to Heather. She is so close to 1,000 subscribers that I want to get her there. She has so much great knowledge, guys. So be sure you do subscribe to her channel and also mine. We both have different styles of reselling, so you can definitely learn from us both.
Yes, thank you. Okay,
awesome.
I'll talk to you later.
Have a great day.
Hey, you too. Bye.